In this class of CRM, let us discuss about CRM tools. What are the tools that are available in various CRM systems, various CRM packages? Before discussing about each individual tool, first let us categorize all the tools into four different categories. There are many tools, but before discussing about these tools, let us classify these CRM tools into different categories so that each category will have again different tools. So what are these categories? Marketing category, marketing tools are there, sales tools are there, customer service tools are there, and personalization tools are also there. Personalization, again within marketing there will be number of tools, within sales there will be number of tools again. So within personalization, within customer service category, there will be number of tools. So basically all the tools are classified into these four categories. So now let us discuss about what is marketing category of CRM. In this marketing category, there are different tools like database marketing. This tool deals with database of the customers, database of the strategies of marketing, such kind of database marketing tool. And for doing various analysis, analytical tool is also there, marketing. And to manage the brand, brand management, and telemarketing tool is there. Similarly, configuration management tool will be there, and even information systems, various marketing information system tools will be there. So these are all the different kinds of systems in marketing category. There are number of systems of sales category also. The tools in a sales category includes mobile sales. The sales happens by using mobile sales tool will be there. Opportunity management tool will be there. Account management tool will be there, and like contact management, sales literature, price list tool. So all of these individual tools in sales, managing this sales, all are these individual tools. For example, price list. This price list tool in a CRM package will exclusively deal with price list of the sales, right? So like that, a CRM package may consist of number of tools. Maybe these two tools from sales and two more tools from marketing, and like that, various tools it consists of. It means the CRM package. And customer service team. So within this also there are number of tools like call center, right, and mobile service. It is actually exclusively all the tools whatever deal about and whatever are about service. So all are coming under this customer service category. and there are many other kinds of customer support service also. So everything comes under customer service. And there are some personalization category of tools also, like building customer profiles or delivering a personalized content, the customer specific content. So such kind of different tools will be there which are about personalization, right? So the CRM package that which you are going to implement may consist of any of these tools. Now let us deal with, or let us discuss about the major tools in a CRM package. Mobile technology is a tool that which can be used in a CRM system. So it is also an important tool. It actually is to effectively incorporate mobile technologies into the CRM implementation. This tool will help the organization to deal with the users in a way that the remote users to have access to system and perform their required functions through mobile devices itself, right? So this tool is enabling the customers to make the required functions of the customers with this mobile technology. And another tool is migration management. This is about a migration, migrating of the processes. The organizational employers should use the new IT systems, and they should become proficient in using such new technologies when the organization is going to implement the CRM system. Even though they have been using the old processes or old system of various processes, when they are going to implement the CRM, they should become efficient in using the new technologies. For that, the migration management is also important. The conversion or the transformation of existing information and system to the new system is about migration. For that, this migration management tool is also necessary. And back end integration tool, it is about integrating the system, the CRM system, with other sources of data like management information systems, enterprise resource planning systems, such kind of. So it helps the users in a way that they can access the updated data from the other systems also, because CRM is integrated with other sources of information also. MIS from the enterprise resource planning, or so a few information can be gathered from the MIS, some other information can be gathered. So the CRM system can access all this information by integrating all this. So that is the tool. So that is why it is also important tool to consider also. And another tool is application servers. This usually the CRM system is of a three-tier integration. It provides the combination of the application servers, databases, and graphical user interfaces. So that is why we are calling it as three-tier integration. The organization, so what are the three things? Application servers, database servers, and GUI, graphical user interface servers. The organization should ensure that the system is fail safe. So there is no probability to fail the system. It has to ensure that. For that, it has to ensure that it makes the system to avoid the hackers from breaching the security. Restrictions should be laid, and emerging issues must be corrected immediately so that they can prevent the hackings. So that is why the application servers are also important tools in CRM package or CRM systems. And connectivity tools. As CRM is a data intensive practice, it involves transfer of data between several contact points without any interruptions. So it has to be, for example, the information transfers between many contact points. Contact points means actually here many different kinds of many different departments. So if such transfer is facilitated by this CRM, there should be no delay in data transfer between any two departments or any two sources or any two contact points. For that, the system should meet the required specifications and must have the bearing capacity to deal with all this information. If, for example, there will be a possibility of failure of some systems, if such things happen also, it should be in a position to immediately replace the alternative systems to manage the situation, and it should be in a position to ensure uninterrupted connectivity between all of these things. Another tool which is important is to maintain and upgrade. So once the organization starts implementation of the CRM is not enough, so the CRM package should have itself to manage and upgrade the data. The data is not a permanent data, and there is the possibility of attacking the virus to the CRM system. There will be a possibility of happening some errors in the CRM system. So all the time the organization or the CRM system should verify all these things are happening to check the viruses, and regular debugging is happening or not, and authenticity is all the time checked. So it has to deal with all these things. Proper measures must be taken in order to happen all these things. Next is delivery technology. Sometimes this tool is also necessary. Delivery technology. The CRM system should have the capacity of dealing several data types, and it should have the capability of handling transfer of data between fax machines, mobile phones, and various IP addresses. Usually, for it, for this delivery technology, SMS, GPRS, and Edge, such kind of technologies are used. SMS and GPRS, general packet radio services, and Edge, enhanced data GSM environment. Edge, such kind of technologies will be used by various firms for this delivery technology. And the last tool is ODS and OLAP. OLAP. ODS is operational data store. It is to retrieve the older data and incorporate it into the new CRM database. And OLAP is online analytical processing. It is for the analysis of projections and trends of business. This OLAP is useful for the analysis purpose, analysis of various projections or maybe the trends of the business. And ODS, operational data stories, to retrieve the older data and incorporate it to the new database. So these are the various tools involved in implementation of CRM, or these are the CRM tools. Thank you.